Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, you might have noticed that there has been a little bit of a pullback. Now there is major factors, but first of all, look at this. On Twitter, meme coins are actually trending in the business and the finance sector. On the other end, Dogecoin is on path to hit the 14-cent mark and the crypto traders are optimistic about their forecast. On the other end, well, let's just say a 20x pump could be coming in as the DeFi tokens are starting to climb. So why did we have a little bit of a pullback? Well, before we get into that, I just want to say, if you're here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just update to algorithm, push the video to more people. More people can stay up to date with what is happening with the Dogecoin market. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Well, first of all, let me answer this question specifically. Now, a lot of people in the crypto market have been a little bit scared, that's the right word, because you can see that Bitcoin itself did see a little bit of a pullback today. It went from close to 44k all the way down at one point to 42k in a singular day. That's close to a 5% decline. But on the other end, Dogecoin also took a pullback just like the whole crypto market, but it was nowhere near as big as Bitcoin. Now, is that something to celebrate? Yes, because this shows that yes, Dogecoin market is actually holding on very strongly. Specifically, if you look at the market, you can see that since we have actually broken above, and you can see that since we have broken above, we have been able to stay above this zone, which is close to 9.6 cents. Why is this a big deal? Well, in simple terms, if you guys do not know, 9.6 or 9.4ish was going to act as a very strong resistance zone, but once we have broken above that, you can see it's working very good as a strong support zone. And even when Bitcoin took such a strong pullback, Dogecoin was able to hold on to its price very well. Just keep in mind, if we're just able to consolidate close to 10 cents when we get closer to the 12th of January, when Doge 1 will be going to the moon, at the same time SpaceX will be launching that, but Doge radio will be becoming part of that. So there are some major factors that will be pumping up the Doge price. But if the market goes into a downtrend, the pump won't be as big. But if it's able to stay in a consolidation zone, when that pump comes in, trust me, we will all be shocked. Now, the reason this is a big deal is meme coins are trending. What is the largest meme coin? Well, the simple answer is Dogecoin. So therefore, there is a lot of money flowing into the market as well. On the other end, you can see that crypto analysts are starting to show a very strong target on how Dogecoin will be gearing up to be able to hit some big numbers, and reveals that crypto bulls have accumulated billions of Doge at its price at this point. The consolidation, approximately 3.2 billion Doge by 63 addresses, is at 9.5. So therefore, that's why the market's not able to break below the 9.5 zone, which is around here. Now, that shows that there is still a lot to come, and the next big target that Dogecoin will be hitting will be close to 14 cents. I personally feel like the next big target is close to 16 cents, but even 14 cents would be something good to target. Now, Dogecoin rises above the 0.1 cent, but there is more yet to come. The remarkable rise after that, the future is coming in, and especially you need to pay attention that when Cybertruck or Twitter decides to accept Dogecoin as a form of payment, that's going to be one of the driving factors. And if we talk about the whales, you guys can see that since the market has gone a little bit down, the whales are also starting to accumulate quite quickly. And sometimes you can see that the whales are also taking profit. Now, overall, this whale is down about 24 million, which is an insane amount of money, but that just gives you more perspective in terms of how well this whale is trying to start buying in. And on the other end, this is another whale which you guys can see decided to sell close to 25 million US dollars worth of Dogecoin on the 1st of December. Why am I talking about this whale? Because since that day they have not purchased back. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, they are waiting to entry at the right point. If they decide to entry back with, let's say, at least $10 million, that's going to be a really strong driving factor. Now this is also a really interesting thing, because even though it was created as a silly joke, Dogecoin is better suited for transactions. The reason Elon said that, if you guys do not know, is obviously it is faster, cheaper, and much easier for you to be able to pump up the Dogecoin and also, you know, just have transactions with it compared to Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now once all of this gathers up together, trust me, the price will be able to climb very quickly, and this looks mesmerizing. That's probably the best word to use. Now you guys can see right now the market is just really confusing, because yesterday we talked about how there are new tokens also coming in which are playing very big role, but nothing is coming close to Dogecoin. Especially if we look at the trading volume, you guys can see that Dogecoin is sitting at $1.6 billion. Now that's a very big number, because if you pay attention, it's up about 100% today, and the trading volume to the market cap ratio is sitting close to 12%, which gives you perspective how many big whales are also still paying very close attention to Dogecoin. And if it decides to keep climbing, well, that's the only option it really has. Now Dogecoin has successfully cleared all the major resistance, says analysts, and poisoned to the 14-cent market. And there are just so many articles which are clearly suggesting that because Dogecoin is able to stay above the key resistance zone, it just means that it has a lot of potential to climb when the time is right. Dogecoin contributor issues a warning. I mean, this is one of the things which I wanted to cover, because if you guys do not know, there are so many scams which are just complex schemes which are starting to come in as more and more people are investing in Dogecoin. Now keep in mind, just be very careful. Even if someone emails you saying, hey, I can double your money, or Elon's gonna double your money, just stay away from it. That's the right word to use it. Now if you do not know, XRP lawyer and Dogecoin founder slammed the Wikipedia's Jimmy Whale over the Bitcoin comment. And the comment they're talking about, which is really interesting, is Wikipedia found Jimmy recent social media post comparing banks to Bitcoin and discussion within the community. In response, XRP, known as In the XRP and the SEC took a personal stance to counter Whale's narrative. Meanwhile, shared a striking personal experience recounting a withdrawal of 19,000 cash from the bank. Now, what's really interesting is a lot of people were happy, if that's the right word, but at the same time it's not something that they should be compared. Also weighed in on this image, assuming Jimmy of Constant Financial is not happy. You know, like they're just trying to say that bank and Bitcoin is not the same thing. Bitcoin is a lot better. And finally, there are a lot of mixed amid profit taking frenzy. That's why the market's not able to pick a direction so quickly, but you just need to be a little patient and you'll be fine. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.